A Mustang wheel. What did I decide on getting for a Mustang? Not this one, the GT. You know which one I'm talking about. I'll show you the car in a little bit, but let me show you the wheels I got. Nothing but the best. They are VMRs. Here's the model, V710. Here's the size. Here's the offset. Here's the bolt pattern. Here's the hub. They had a great deal for holidays, and I copped these for $940. And let me show you which ones they are and how they look. Now, did I get them in black or gunmetal? Let's see. That's right, I got them in gunmetal. I absolutely love these wheels. Let me take them out so I can show you a little bit better. Then I'll show you what's currently on the car, and we're gonna show you how it looks. Here is a closer view. Absolutely love these wheels. The gunmetal is just like on a different level. Now you can see the concave. It's decent. It's not as crazy, but it's still good. As you can see the back, 33 offset. So it should be right next to the fender. And I think the gunmetal is like a better pick than the black wheel, because when you look at a black wheel, all you see is black wheel, black tire, black wheel well, black car, and then the wheel just disappears inside the car. But with this, we are gonna be standing out. I also got decent tires. I got a Continental DWS's 275/40/19, and I'll show you those once they get mounted. They're getting mounted tomorrow, and we're gonna install them on the car and see how it looks. But first, let me show you my current setup on the car. Here's the current setup. These are 295/35/19. These are 275/40/19, and I kind of like that beefy look, so I'm gonna install these and we are gonna go see how they look on the car. Oh, and I mean these are the wheels and tires. Look at how beefy and how good they look, man. Look at that. Freaking cool, man. And they're sticky. To have these tires on that stang over there, so they are really sticky and quiet. Yeah, so I'm gonna install them and show you how they look. Quick sneak peek. These are VMRs as well, 19s, but really slim tire, so that's why they look skinny. But then over here, it's 19s with 275/40, so that's why they look beefy. And I'm gonna show you the car in a bit. Alright, got the wheels and tires mounted on the car. It rained yesterday, the car is dirty. I didn't get a chance to clean the tires or put the shine on them, but brother, does that look good or what? 275s, 40/19s. The front end is just so good. The rear end could use a little bit of lowering. We'll figure that out, but yeah, here she is as she sits. Absolutely stunning. Pardon my shade, it is winter, so we get low sun. Here is on the shade side. Pretty dope. Here, look at this fitment. Look at that fitment. How cool is this? And a lot of you will be familiar with these wheels. These are VMRs, V710s, but they did come on a 2014 RTR Mustangs, which is the same wheel as this one, except this is just the brand that it actually comes from, so it's not an RTR wheel, but it is VMR wheel. Kaboom! Yeah, the car is really filthy and could use a buff. Pretty dope. Alright, here's the other side. In the sun. Yeah, the purple lug nuts have to go. I ordered some chrome ones because they don't match the black, like the gunmetal wheels anymore. They look good on a black wheel, but not on this one. So how sexy are they? Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, check out the videos.